In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace with Shopify. The goal is to get your Shopify store connected with Facebook so you can list your products on Facebook Marketplace more efficiently. Before you start, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin account and that you can see the left sidebar menu. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the correct place will save time, because the next part is all about finding the right section in your Shopify dashboard. First, click Apps in the left sidebar menu of your Shopify admin. This is usually located on the left side of the admin panel, and it is one of the main navigation items you will use when adding new features. When you click Apps, the screen should switch to the Apps area where you can browse installed applications, integrations, and app listings. This step matters because all Facebook-related connections will be handled through an app in Shopify rather than through a random setting. If you are not seeing apps in the left menu, scroll slightly up or down, because the layout can change depending on your screen size. Next, once you are in the Apps area, type CED Facebook into the search field or the app search area. You are essentially telling Shopify exactly which integration you want to find. As you type, you should see matching results appear. The name you are looking for is CED Facebook, and it is specifically the tool that helps connect your Shopify catalog with Facebook surfaces. This step is important because searching by the exact app name helps you avoid installing the wrong integration, which could cause connection issues later. Take your time here and verify the spelling and the app name on screen. After you see the correct app in the results, install it. The instruction you are following is Install, which means you should click the Install button associated with the CED Facebook app listing. Depending on your Shopify setup, you may be prompted with information about what the app can access. Read through the on-screen details carefully so you understand why it is requesting access. Then continue with the installation by confirming the install action when you are ready. This step matters because installing the app is what actually enables the integration platform, and without it, you cannot complete the connection needed for Facebook Marketplace selling. At this point, the app installation may take a few seconds. You may see a loading screen or a confirmation message once the installation is complete. When the app is installed, Shopify should show that it is added or ready for use. If the screen offers a way to open the app from the installed section, you can look for that because it may be the next screen where you will set up the integration settings. For this part of the process, the main focus is ensuring that the app installation step is finished successfully. As you finish installing, keep an eye on the status indicators on the screen. If you encounter a warning or an error, do not move forward until the installation is working properly. Usually, small issues like connection delays or permission prompts are resolved by simply waiting a moment and trying again. Once the app is installed, you are ready for the next phase of connecting your products and establishing your Facebook Marketplace setup through that app. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.